Now, how did you get out, Buddy Rowe? When the baby rabbits got out. How did you get over here, man? You must have got out of your cage somehow, buddy. Force G, did you let the rabbits out, buddy? That rabbit trying to get away, he thinks you're going to eat him, baby. Baby, I don't think he's going anywhere. Just make sure he doesn't go in the house. Where's your buddy at? Where's your buddy? Hey, easy on the rabbit. Alright, you captured him? I don't see his brother. Hey, Buddy Roo, we gotta figure out how you escaped, man. Good job, honey. The rabbit wrangler. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I got one under the car. We have to run him out of there. Good morning, good morning, good morning to everyone. Had a little excitement this morning. Two baby rabbits escaped out of their cage. One was over here, one was over there in the green grass chilling underneath the car. So the old lady's trying to wrangle that second rabbit and get him back in his cage. I don't know how they got out. You think the rabbits let themselves out, baby? Yeah, maybe they figured out just a little latch that goes down, so maybe somebody's nose went like that. Freed them rabbits. Either way, we had a prison break, folks. Breaking news here in the Philippines. Had two rabbits escape. Did you get the other one? No? So we got one captured and one still on the loose. A baby rabbit at large. Nah, he's underneath the car. But you got to get him, baby, because I think maybe he can go under that gate over there. Can you get him?
That's the one that we always hide.
Oh yeah, that's the one that's always hiding. The one she captured, that's like the sociable one. The one underneath the car, lightning fast. She's out there, we're trying to get them rabbits. You know what she did? She found a mango on the ground. Oh my goodness. Anyhow, good morning to everybody out there. What you cooking, baby girl? Making pancakes? Oh yeah, that's some good looking pancakes. Oh yeah, good job, baby. Oh yeah, real good flip on that one, baby. I think it's time for another haircut. Folks, you know, it's hot in the tropics, right? So if you're a man, keep your hair short. There's no need for hair. It's hot. Costs more money for shampoo. Nobody really cares about what your hair looks like. So I always keep my hair short, right? Because when you get old, I don't know, at least with me, like my hair used to be silky smooth. I guess if I put enough conditioner on it, it'd be silky smooth. But like when you get older, like your hair gets like more wiry, you know? It's not like silky, it's more like a damn I don't want to say a wire brush or a Brillo pad, but it just don't, it's not smooth like it used to be. Maybe I'll go in there and steal some of her Pantene conditioner, see what I can do with it. You know what the easiest thing to do? Go get a haircut, zip it off. Also make the grade go away. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Go see my buddy at the Goop It for 80 pesos. That's $1, 24.60, 80. What was that, $1.80 with a tip? I'd say $2. Or I can walk down this way. I think that dude's got a Goop It for 60 pesos. That's $1.20. Either way, I think it's time to take it down a notch. At least get everything trimmed up, back in shape. My goodness. A little manscaping going on today. Little scrambled eggs for the babies in the morning. They're still sleeping. Wife number 2 didn't want to cook. Whatever reason. I don't want to cook. Oi. Alright, no problem. Cooking eggs is about the easiest thing you can do. All you need is the lid to the large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. Well, folks, that piece of gear right there is made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. Here's the other part to it right there. Got a little grease left over from my fried chicken the other night. So I just popped the lid off. I'll cook these eggs, throw them in a bowl. I'll put the lid back on there. Of course, we'll reuse the oil for another fried chicken cook. Look at that. Yeah, pretty simple. Just get your welding glove on. The babies are still sleeping, so they're not even up yet. I'll just take this over here, put on the table. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Put my cooking utensils back in place here. And folks, when you're cooking with cast iron, remember this cast iron retains heat. So I always kill the heat, you know, a few minutes before I think it's gonna be done. And that is gonna be the perfect consistency for the babies. Good job, sweetie. Keep pedaling. Let's go pedal. Go pedal. Good job, sweetie girl. Are you tired? Okay, well, hold on. Keep pedaling. Keep going. Yeah, the cat ran out in front of you. Come on. Okay, yeah, pull over to the side. Good job, sweetie girl. Wait for the motorbike to go. Okay, good job.